All right, today is preliminary inventory day. We busted the crate open. The other crate's out there. That's the cage was in there. The carbon fiber cowling. We have Master Jenna here, Miss Organizer, setting up strategy to get all the parts in. What we've done now is we put wing kits and basically big stuff over there. That's all that's left is the spar and some other stuff that we're going through. We have fuselage stuff on that table, finishing kit behind there, more stuff here, wings, tail, and more stuff, and a bucket of manuals that we printed, nonetheless the wrong way. So those are the instructions on how to build this thing. Fuel and motor stuff underneath here. And the idea is basically that I am going to take the big wing skins. I borrowed my uncle's trailer today. All of the wing accessories, the spars, the D and the Z spar over to my house, and I'm going to build the wings. And my friend George, who's upstairs trying to hook us up some internet so we can watch the SpaceX launch, is going to build a fuselage and the body here. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, lots of cool stuff. Got the tires over here. So what we did is we ordered everything. We didn't order it in sections. We have the whole kit and caboodle, sans engine and avionics. And yeah, this is kind of finishing pile. Big wing skins that we don't want to crease. I know that is a body skin right there. So that's going to go back in the crate because he's actually going to have this finished. So we're basically trying to consolidate everything in here, cover it so they don't get spray insulation all over it until he gets started with the body of the plane.